Hello students, how are you? Fine? I welcome you all to the English class of Standard 1, video number 2, chapter 3. This is our second video of chapter 3. Yesterday we have done our first video, isn't it? And have you done your homework? Yes, I know. All of you have done the homework. You all are very good students. Now today we are going to read this chapter 3, all about dolphins. Okay, so what you have to do, take out your book, page number 16, course book. Take out your English course book, page number 16. Now everyone will put their fingers, okay, as I am doing. So let's start reading. Dolphins are magical creatures. Okay, before that, write today's date and classwork here. In page number 16 here, write today's date, today 2nd May, and write here classwork. Okay. Now let's start. Dolphins are magical creatures. Dolphins are magical creatures. They live in the deep dark sea, but they are not fish. This is because fish can breathe underwater, but dolphins cannot. Where do dolphins live? Dolphin lives in the deep dark sea. Fish also lives in water, but dolphins are not fish. Why they are not fish? Because fish can breathe underwater and dolphins cannot. To breathe air, they have to come up to the surface of the water. Now tell me, have you seen dolphin in television? Or in real also? I think some of you have seen. We went to sea beach. Okay. We breathe through our nose. Dolphins breathe through a blowhole on top of their head. Now, to breathe air, what they are doing? They are coming up to the surface of the water. They are coming up to the surface of the water. Dolphins always do like this, na? They come up, again go down. Come up, again go down. Why they come up? To breathe. Because they cannot breathe under water. Isn't it? So, they come to the surface of the water and again go down. See? Here, they are coming. This delphina, she is coming to the surface of the water and again she will go down. Clear? And how do we breathe? We breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. But dolphin breathes through a blowhole. Blowhole, they breathe through a blowhole. And where is this blowhole? On the top of their head. Here, in this portion. In this portion, they are having that blowhole, which helps them to breathe. Okay? It is clear up to this? Now, checkpoint 1. Let us do this question. Where do dolphins live? We just see here, it is written. They live in a deep dark sea. So, take your pencil and write with me. Right here. Dolphins live in the deep dark sea. Okay? Do this question. Write the answer here only. Dolphins live in the deep dark sea. Now here. This is Delphina. She is a grey dolphin. This is Delphina. What is the name of this dolphin? Delphina. And what is the color? Grey. She is a grey dolphin. But dolphins can also be black, white or pink. Sorry. What are the other colors? Black, white or pink. She is grey, but dolphins may be of black color, white color or pink color also. Clear? We have hair on our heads and bodies. We are having hair now on our heads, on our bodies. We are having hair. Dolphins have very smooth, shiny skin and fins. But dolphins, they do not have hairs. Their skin is very smooth, very shiny, very smooth and shiny. And they are having fins also. They are having fins also. Why fins? Because fins help them to swim in the water. Clear? Dolphins have hundreds of sharp teeth, but they don't use their teeth to chew their food. We are having teeth now. What we do with our teeth? We bite our food, we chew our food with our teeth, isn't it? But dolphins, they never chew their food with their teeth. And they are having hundreds of sharp teeth. They are having many teeth, hundreds of sharp teeth. But they never use their teeth to chew the food or bite the food. They only use them to catch the food, to catch the sea animals as a prey. They only use them to catch their food. Clear? Dolphins have ears too, and they can see at night, just like cats and dogs. Dolphins, we are also having ears. Cats and dogs are also having ears. Dolphins are also having ears. And they can also see at night, like cats and dogs. Cats and dogs can see at night. We can't see. Do you know how dolphins talk to each other? I told you, na, we will learn how dolphins talk to each other in this chapter. See. They use clicks, squeals and whistles. They talk to each other by clicks, squeals and whistles. Clear? Sometimes they fall asleep with one eye open. Can we sleep with one eye open? Can we sleep? But dolphins can sleep with one eye open. Dolphins are very playful. They jump high over the waves in the sea. They follow boats in the sea. They even chase each other. Earlier only I told you that dolphins are very friendly and playful in nature. They jump high over the waves. They are jumping high over the waves. They follow boats in the sea. They also follow the boats. Clear? They even chase each other. They play with each other. I am first or you are first. In the water only. So, they chase each other. Now, have you seen how a dolphin looks like? It is always smiling. Have you seen dolphin? How they look like? Is they always smiling? Yes. They look as if they are smiling. Now, clear to all? Everyone understand this chapter? Now, what you have to do? You have to read this lesson 2 to 3 times. Okay? You will read this lesson 2 to 3 times. Clear? Now, yesterday we have written half of the hard words. Today we will write the rest one. So, be ready with your copy and pencil. Take your copy and pencil. Be ready with your copy and pencil. Write today's date, 2nd May 2020, Chapter 3, classwork all about dolphins. And today we will write the rest of the hard word. See, yesterday we have written up to 12. Now, today we will start number 30. Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. 14. Chew. C-H-E-W. Chew. 15. Clicks. C-L-I-C-K-S. Clicks. 16. Squills. S-Q-U-E-A-L-S. Squills. Number 17. Whistles. W-H-I-S-T-L-E-S. Number 18. Asleep. Asleep. Number 19. Playful. P-L-A-Y-F-U-L. Playful. Number 20. Smiling. S-M-I-L-I-N-G. Smiling. Number 21. Chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. So, these are the hard words. You will write these hard words in your copy and again you will repeat them 3 times each. Okay? So, these are the hard words. In our next class, we will do some of the questions, textual exercises, questions from the book. Okay? Now, today's homework is write here date, lesson 3, homework. Number 1, write the hard words 3 times each. And number 2, read the chapter 2 to 3 times. Clear? So today up to this much. We will again meet in our next class. Bye bye.